about the restructuring of the National Security Council. The NSC has already said it does not indicate any kind of rift between the president, the vice president, the country security sector. Wala. Pero what do you make of the reorganization of the NSC that the Vice President Sara Duterte, was removed from the NSC?
Maybe they find it uncomfortable, convening the National Security Council with the Vice President around. So, tinanggal nila. So, discretion nila yan. Hindi naman yan nakalagay sa konstitusyon natin na talagang andyan yung Vice President. So, ayaw nang nila. So, they can do everything. The Chief Executive has the power to reorganize all the departments and the offices under the executive branch.
Oo. And I think if we go back also, I mean, you would remember this. Former President Rodrigo Duterte also removed Vice President Leni Robredo from the NSC, right? Or meron?
Correct.
Tinanggal ba?
Parang gano'n na, parang tinanggal. So, it's entirely at the discretion of the President kung sino paano nila i-compose, reorganize ang NSC.
So, nothing new?
Nothing new. Ang ko lang dyan, ang sayang lang is yung former presidents tinagal nila. Yung Vice President,
yeah.
Nagawa niya noon, di ba? In the case of Vice President Leni Robredo. But yung former presidents, I don't know kung nagawa niya noon because pagdating kasi sa security aspects, napaka-valuable yung inputs na pwedeng ibigay ng mga former presidents sa sitting president, to the current president. Napaka-valuable advice.
Kung former president.
Yung mga former presidents, very valuable yung inputs na maibigay nila sa National Security Council na mapakinabangan ng current president, yung sitting president.
Yes.
So, valuable talaga.
Okay, and I'd like to clarify that former President Leni Robredo was not ordered, or she was not removed from the NSC per se, but she was asked not to attend any of the cabinet meetings. Do you remember that?
Oo, pero gano'n na rin yung...
Yun na yun.
Gano'n na rin yun, di ba?
Para sa inyo.
Parang na rin tinanggal ka in effect, kahit na walang dokumento nagtanggal sa'yo, sinadvisan ka, gano'n na rin ang effect noon na they don't want you there. They don't want you there sa National Security Council for whatever reasons. Let us respect the Chief Executive kung anong rason niya dyan. Pero in the case of the former presidents, sayang, ako'y nanghihinayang sa experience, the wealth of experience ng mga former presidents na that could be converted into valuable inputs in crafting defense policies ng sitting president.